Welcome to today's lesson. We are going to look at this question, which is 2023 paper 2 internal, and this is the eighth geometry that came. So in the previous video we talked about finding the difference in latitude and in longitude. We also looked at finding the position of points, where we said we should start with a latitude then end with a longitude. So this is the question that came, and the question reads, find the difference in latitude between point A and point D. So as we talked about the other time, we said when you are finding the difference, this is difference in latitude. So when you are finding the distance in latitudes between point A and point D, you look at the latitudes where they are. So this latitude is in north, the other one is in south. So north, south, what do? We add. So the difference in latitudes between A and D is going to be what? 50 plus 50, which will give us what? 100 degrees. That is it, our first one. Then our second one, they are saying calculate in kilometer the distance between A and B. A and B, which is along which latitude D? Latitude D, 50 degrees north. So what should we do? First of all, we need to know the formula that we are going to use. This formula is we need to find the formula that we should use when we are dealing with the distance in the small circle. So the formula that we use is theta over 360. This theta means it is difference in longitudes multiplied by 2 pi r cos latitude. Okay, so now let's try to now fuse in, because we are finding the distance of A, B. So what is theta? Theta, we are saying it is the difference in longitudes. So this is longitude 20 degrees east, this is longitude 40 degrees, this is 20 degrees west, sorry, and this is 40 degrees east. So the other one is in east, the other one is in west. What do? We add them together. So we're going to have 20 plus 40, which will give us 60, over 360, multiplied by 2, times, we know what a pi is, 3.142, times, the radius is what? The 370, times cos L. What is L? L is 50. This is the 50 where it is coming from. From there we can calculate AB is equal to, here we are going to have 1 over 6. When you divide this 60 into 360 to give you 6. 60 into 61. Multiplied by, so let's also multiply this side, 2 times 3.142, which is a pi, times 370, then times cos 50. So the answer is going to be 25,730.19665. So our AB is equal to this number. When you multiply with 1 over 6, it is going to give us a 4,388.3661. So when you round off this to 3 significant figures, we're going to have 4390 kilometers. So this is the answer for question B1. Let's now look at B2, which is here, where they're asking us to find the distance between point B and C. B and C. So this is along the longitude. So along the longitude, We have also to note that the formula that we use along the longitude is distance is equal to theta over 360 times 2 pi r. So here we'll not put a cos because we are dealing with the distance which is in the great circle. So theta here still stands, it is now the difference in latitudes because we are dealing with along a distance which is along the longitude. So we'll find the difference in latitudes. So we'll start. Distance is equal to, what is now our theta? Our theta is the difference in latitude between point B and point C. So here you have 50 degrees north, 50 degrees south. So north, south, you add. So which will give you 50 plus 50 is 100 over 360 times 2 pi 370. So distance is equal to, we can now start multiplying. 100 divided by 360 equals, multiply by 2 times 3.142 times 370. Find we have 11,119.1889. When we round off this to three significant figures, we are going to have 11100 kilometers. So thank you so much for watching. The next video we are going to now jump into paper 1. Since we are done with paper 2, we'll jump straight into paper 1. We look at how to find time and the speed. Shalom, shalom.